Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17, Shloka 16. Serenity of mind, good-heartedness, silence, self-control, purity of nature. These together are called the mental austerity.
Chapter 17, Shloka 16. Manah prasada saumyatvam maunam atmavinigrahah bhavasam suddhirityetat tapo manasam uchyate.
Chapter 17, Shloka 16. Tapas of the mind is now described. Tapas of mind involves 5 noble values of life: serenity of mind, kindness, silence, self-control, and honesty of motive. Serenity of mind is gained when our relationship with the world is based on understanding, tolerance, and love. One whose mind runs out into sensual fields can have little serenity or composure. Quietude of mind is disturbed by inflow of stimuli from the world of objects and when desires march out from the intellect. A seeker who works for a divine ideal, in the contemplation of which his mind forgets to run about and his intellect overlooks to send out new desires, alone can hope to win the serenity of the mind. Kindness is a warm feeling of affection for all which rises in a seeker's heart full of devotion and love. He leaves no gap to get upset or have any negative feeling. Silence is not speaking. Silence of speech must be a result of the relative silence of the mind. It can mean the state of constant contemplation. Self-control is not possible without the above qualities of serenity of composure, constant kindness towards others, and unbroken calm silence within. One has to be constantly vigilant over the powerful animalistic instincts. Honesty of motive. Self-control is not possible unless our motives are pure and serene. Without a definite goal in life, without planning our march towards the ideal, we are apt to become victim of the various temptations and exhaust ourselves. The urge in us that motivates all our mental activities must be inspiring and divine. Otherwise, we will get deprived of the joy of achievement to make our life a grand success. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.